Anger after Jamaican Windrush victim dies without receiving compensation.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The family of a 62-year-old Jamaican-born man, who was part of the Windrush generation, is upset that he died without receiving an apology or promised compensation from Britain, despite being opposed by the state for many years as he tried to prove that he was in the country legally. Hubert Howard, who was born in Jamaica, died on the 12th of November, just 3 weeks after finally being granted British citizenship, some 59 years after arriving in London at the age of 3. Howard spent much of his last 2 months of his life still fighting for British citizenship from his intensive care bed in hospital. He was granted it at the end of October when his lawyer informed the Home Office that he was critically ill, pointing out the urgency of his case. Howard had not left England since he arrived there legally in 1960, this according to reports.
All right, got a lovely man here for you to meet. Hubert Howard came over to the UK in 1960. 61 years old, can I say that?
That's correct.
Worked all his life until this mess up over the passports happened. Hubert, your mum brought you, so he didn't have a British passport. And then basically his employer was a housing association. What were they told?
They was told that they've got to get rid of me because I didn't have my status.
And so since then, I think that was about 2012, about 6 years, you've been looking for a job.
I've been, well, they told them before that, it's from 2007, I think it was, and 2012 is when they dismissed me.
And how do you feel about that? Because a lot of people are watching this story thinking this is blooming unfair.
It is unfair, and what I can't understand with my situation is that Home Office and people could trace back records from the 18th century, right? And I had problems getting my primary school records, and that was just 1960s, 70s. And I think that's stupid. And they've got this thing called microfiche, where all our documents from them going way back, like doctor's details from school, supposed to be on. They knew they had that, and they could have tapped into that.
Now his daughter Marisha has established a GoFundMe campaign to assist in paying for his funeral expenses. She's seeking to raise £15,000. According to newspaper reports, Howard first realized that he had problems with his documents in 2005 when his employers, the Peabody Housing Association, asked him to show that he was in the UK legally. He tried to get a passport the following year so he could visit his sick mother in Jamaica, but the Home Office said it had no record of him and warned him that if he left the UK, he might not be allowed back in the country. His mother died before he was able to see her again.
Hubert trying to prove he's been here since the 60s. Can you imagine having to do that? Hasn't got a British passport. Missed his mum, who was ill and died. Didn't get to see her before she died. And a member of the kind of post-Windrush, isn't it? The generations after. And we wish you all the best, my friend.
Thank you very much.
Howard reportedly tried on numerous occasions to apply for a passport. In 2012, he was dismissed by Peabody because he was still not able to prove he was in the UK legally. He died in debt as a result of losing his job. In expressing her anger at her father's death, Marisha said he had become exhausted as he tried to prove his right to British citizenship after a lifetime in the UK. My dad was a fighter, but the way he was treated caused his illness, said Marisha. She said her father had been living with leukemia for a number of years, but had neglected his health while preoccupied by his Home Office difficulties. In an interview in 2018, Hunter recounted how the Home Office rebuffed his every attempt to prove that he was entitled to British citizenship, and questioned how the British government could treat people that way. In setting up the GoFundMe campaign, which at the time of this publication had raised over £2,600, Marisha said, "My father was from the Windrush generation. He fought to prove he was legal in England, but sadly got seriously ill while waiting for his citizenship and compensation. My father eventually received his citizenship and not long after passed away. Because of the situation, my father did not have funds to have a funeral and burial. Hubert did not want to be cremated.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.